air pollution is terrible.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.
Okay, so we are here, Matt and I, walking along the pier in Qingdao, and they've asked us
Like 5 times already.
he's less of exaggerated than me. 5 times to say this phrase. Do you remember what it is, Matt? So it's dong, gong, gong hui, tuan, hui, sui bang. So they have to find foreigners to say this with them. And
I was
we're
trying
the
to
only
read
2
their
foreigners in
itinerary.
Qingdao, apparently, because we've said this 100 times.
To be fair, on the pier, I think we're the only people foreigners there.
Okay. So we're leaving the pier now. All right, Matt, we're here at the Qingdao factory. We haven't even gone inside yet. Matt's already drunk.
That's too much spinning.
You ready for this tour?
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm ready. We just
Matt's going
learned
to be
all
my guide. He's going to speak to me in Chinese, and
learned
we're
all the,
going to learn stuff.
the Chinese word for beer.
Yeah. We learned that Chinese beer used to be called liver alcohol because it was supposed to be good for your liver.
I got barley tea. I've got a classic Qingdao beer. Okay. So we have to sniff it, right? It smells like cereal. Mine smells like cereal. Mine smells like beer. After you do that, you swirl. Swirl. Actually, no. First, you're supposed to look at it, make sure it's a clear thing. Then you swirl, and snap. Qingdao Beer Museum.
It tastes like water. I just drank water. It smells like cereal. That's literally what just happened here.
Water.
Is that very beer?
Look at it. That left some backwash, but other than that, it's clear.
I left you a little bit of head too.
It's beer.
Like a peanut?
Thank you. That beer flavor out.
This is horrible. I am massacring Matt. Look, I'm recording and playing and still beating him at the same time. Ooh, I don't know this one. I got 4 points. He got 1. And he got it wrong. So, I'm still winning. Here's the score down here. I'm table 1, Matt's table 3. This is like Mario Kart in reverse. Oops, I did not mean to hit that. And I still got it right. I accidentally hit the button and I got it right. Okay, so how'd you like the Qingdao tour museum?
It was cool. It was cool. It's kind of interesting how, I was wondering how Qingdao got known for its beer. I guess I shouldn't be surprised it started with Germans. How did you enjoy it?
I liked it. The history was really good. Very interesting. The beer was not very good. But, history, culture, those things that I like. learned some Chinese today. Got to take some good pictures, had fun. So that was what's important for me. They're just.
This is why they're not super popular. If they had done with upbeat music, everybody would.
This is amazing. It's just exercising. They're like all on the same beat. Well, hiking is canceled. Matt can't get through the front gate. So we gotta go home.
They stand mine.
Oh. Matt's lying. He broke the machine. He's trying to blame it on me. Matt, how's it going? Where are you going?
Vertical.
So we're supposed to be going up, but we are going sideways to sit down. It is kind of vertical, I'll give him that. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, who's that guy? Yep, it's pretty much all we've been seeing for the last few minutes. Stairs, and more stairs. And then you think you reach the top of them, and guess what? There's more of them. And then you finally do reach a point where it's like, oh, no more stairs, thank you. And then you turn, and guess what? There are more stairs. Woo! Matt, you excited?
Excited for a break.
Yeah! Okay, so we are at the top of, which peak is this, Matt? Sorry. It is so windy out here.
It's like up in a cloud. Yeah. Look at that up there. That's what you see.
How'd you like Qingdao?
It's cool. How'd you like Qingdao?
It was cool.
So glad I brought my leather jacket. Oh, the mountain was really cool. It was so cool to think that I could climb so high into the sky. I was touching clouds. The clouds were cold.
Yeah. The wind was unfriendly look.
I'm glad Tim was able to get his drone shots, because that means there'll probably be some cool drone shots.
Right before this part, there was cool drone shots.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I enjoyed Qingdao as well. Enjoyed the tour.
He didn't enjoy the beer.
The beer was not good.
Which is what this city is famous for.
The tour was interesting though.
I think
See you on the next trip.